Hey Kellogg. So we got a package in today, and I'm thinking it is the hammock chairs. It is. Awesome. Yay! And they match the regular hammock just perfectly.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
Okay, it is almost done. We just have one more hammock chair to put in. I installed a shade awning over top. I just have to ratchet strap it in. We had to add these braces in where the straps go because it was pulling in the two beams, which was not good. So it's all supported now. I think it looks amazing and comfortable. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and work on the last hammock chair, and this sector will be done. I think Kellogg prefers the hammock. He says he needs a lot of space. Okay, time to test it out. How does it feel? Oh, that's awesome. I love it. Nice. How you like it, Kellogg? And there is the hammock on the other side for people to hang out also. Amazing. I love it. How about... Okay, let's pause. Let's look at the camera.
Easy we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other.
We came into Flagstaff, and of course I had to come to my favorite store, the resale store. So the stuff on the outside sometimes is 50% off when they're having a sale. There's a lot out here. Ooh, I love the bar stools. Ooh, 40 bucks. So that if they were on sale, they'd be 20 bucks a piece. Kind of wiggly. There were some cool bar stools here before, but they're gone. Anybody need a workout bike? Well, I didn't see much inside, but look at this wood-burning stove. It's 150. That's pretty cool. This table was 30 bucks, and I've got the 4 chairs that I don't have any table for. But it's half off, so $15 I bought it. The table is loaded up, and we are headed to the next destination, which are 2 thrift stores. I'm so excited. I love thrift stores. Oh, super cool. They have an amusement park. So I made it here to Savers, and I usually don't like coming here because they're a bit more pricey than most thrift stores, but sometimes they have neat stuff. Oh, I used to have that full-size painting back at home. That's cool. It's a beautiful one. Well, that's a different look. Oh, look at these old vintage chairs. They're only $3.99. Those are cool. I do really like these chairs, but after sitting in one, it didn't seem too secure. This is a prime example of sometimes why I don't like things in this store. This is a broken, it has a crack in it, planter, and they're wanting 20 bucks for it. That's a little ridiculous. My battery ended up running out while I was in town, so let me show you some of the stuff I got. Kellogg is testing out the new tables and chairs. Actually, I picked up the chairs a previous time, but I finally got a table to go with it right here. And it was only $15. I picked up this cool looking birdhouse, and it had this at the top. Hold on. That little whole area. So I added solar lights to it. It's really cool at night when it's lit up. I also got this little globe lantern that I added a solar thing to the top. That looks cool in the garden. What are you doing, Moo-moo? Are you harassing Jimmy? I saw these 2 pieces separately. I saw the chandelier first and thought it would be cool. It's more of a candelabra than a chandelier, but it did have a hook thing at the top. And I saw this frame here, so I thought they would look good together. I think it looks pretty nice. I did buy some more plants while I was in town. I have this shade area here, so I picked up some ferns. Actually, these ferns can handle sun, but I like them right here. It fills up this area. And also the hydrangea, once it gets bigger with the nice blooms. I did have the corbels in a different place, but I moved them and put them over here. They seem to be doing better because they were in kind of a sunny spot, and now that they're in the shady spot, they're not drying out. Jeff and I added a gate here to keep the rabbits out, and we also put a board across the bottom just so they wouldn't slip underneath. We added this old piece of wood for a latch, and it works really well. The reason why I did add the gate in is because I noticed that it seemed like a rabbit or something was eating my green beans. They're all gone. So I planted more seeds there. This garden area over on this side has been reworked. I have taken most of the plants out and replanted them with the hibiscus. I believe this is the Bali version. We actually had this back, or I had this back in South Carolina. My parents had planted them, and I had to, they were in a hedge form, so I was always clipping them, and I did not like these plants very much. But they are very beautiful, and I thought they would look nice here. So I went ahead and got these because there's 3 right here. I'm thinking about adding 1 more right here just to even it out. And we've got the purple Delphinium, which are absolutely gorgeous. These are actually surprising me. These are violas, Johnny Jump Ups. They're really pretty. Since the Johnny Jump Ups did so well, I bought 2 more packets. I'm gonna plant those somewhere in the garden. Oh, what you doing, moo-moo? Are you ready for the walk? And another plant that is doing really well is the Arugula. It's gone to flower. But I do add these into my salad because this is one of my favorite plants or flowers to add into salads. One more thing that has been added in the garden is Jeff finished the drip systems in these beds over here. Hey, moo-moo. And it goes over to this. So all the garden beds are done, except the big round one by Panda. But I believe I'm going to rework that garden bed, so we won't add the drip system to it just yet. As you can see, I've taken my foot and drawn out a line here in the cinders and also over there, because I believe I am going to extend this bed out here and then add a garden bed over there. Just so you have to kind of wander through the garden and you don't see everything just by looking out. Right, moo-moo? You want to wander in the garden and then turn the corner and be like, ooh, look at that. I had this Arona berry in a pot and it's starting to leaf out, so I went ahead and placed it in the garden over here. I did get a gooseberry. This is a green variety, and I put it in a pot until it starts to leaf out over here by the watering station so I can water it every day. We're getting ready to go for our sunset walk. I'm so glad that the hammock area is done. I started this last season, so about a year ago, and it's just now getting finished. But I'm glad. We couldn't find the hammock chairs that matched the actual hammock, and then Jeff finally found them online and we got them ordered, and I'm really pleased on how it looks. Plus, it's just comfortable at this time of day to just relax and chill over here. It is amazing. I do like it. And I'm glad the project is done. Like I said, we're getting ready to go for our sunset stroll. The sun is getting ready to set. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me in this video. Hopefully, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. And happy homesteading. Bye for now. Mwah.